If you're sick and tired of being passed over for promotions, watching others less qualified make the big bucks, then listen carefully to this video, as it will completely change your career, your life, and the life of your family. Hi, my name is Richard Ellert, and over the past 8 years, my team and I have helped countless professionals finally get the promotion and pay raise they wanted for so long, even if they'd been stuck in the same position for years. And the best part? We've helped them add tens of thousands of dollars to their annual salary without the need for certifications or months of training. So look, if you're an executive, a manager, an engineer, a team leader, or even a coach, or if you're facing a major challenge in your professional life, then pay very close attention. Of course, if that's not you, keep scrolling. But if that is you, pay close attention because this video has the power to transform your life and your career. The truth is, most professionals who want a promotion and a pay raise are going about it completely the wrong way. They're working longer and harder or taking on extra work. And while this makes you look busy, it does not increase your status or add value to the organization. And that means all you do is edge closer and closer to burnout without any change to your position or income. So what do you need to do instead? Well, you need to become an expert problem solver. Why? For the simple reason that most professional failures come from either not recognizing problems or not being able to solve them effectively. Now, before you worry that's going to take a ton of work, believe me, it doesn't. In fact, just a few simple shifts can be all it takes to go from working crazy hours with no reward to being seen and noticed as an expert within your company, while recruiters and executives seek you out to offer you better positions with bigger pay packages. But don't take my word for it. Here's what my client Vincent said. With Richard's method and help, I completely turned my approach and contributed to the turnaround of our company. We went from being slated for closure to being chosen by the group for a $2.5 million capital investment. As a result, I was promoted to the position of continuous improvement director. So what does this mean for you? It means you can make the kind of career advancement that takes most people years in just a couple of months. You don't need to learn complicated methods or complex math. You don't need to burn extra hours in the office with the trial and error and wait until someone, perhaps in years, comes along and notices your efforts. This is what my client Carlos has done. 2 years ago, Carlos, as head of quality of a major battery manufacturer, was struggling keeping up with thousands of defective products, a dysfunctional management process, and his career literally stalled. But since working together, he transformed his career and was recognized as a key figure in the turnaround. As the company was acquired by a large conglomerate, he was kept and promoted. As Carlos said, this method is brilliant. And that's what's so cool about this strategy. It doesn't matter what kind of professional you are. You can be a program leader, a bank manager, a factory supervisor, a process engineer, or even a business coach. As long as your job requires solving problems, delivering results, leading a team, you will need this strategy and method to create breakthrough results, not only for your company, but to make you shine as the one who made it happen. And again, all we need to make this happen is 45 minutes of your time. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to check out this presentation right now. Click the link under this video. You're going to be taken to this page where you can sign up and you can get a 24-hour pass to watch this training. Sign up, watch the whole thing, start to finish, and be ready to take notes, because this will undoubtedly be the best 45 minutes you have ever spent furthering your career. You don't need to be in a position of power. You don't need years of experience. In fact, this works even if you're an absolute beginner. All you need is the burning desire to become a world-class problem solver and to follow the process from start to finish. Show that you are a leader and others will follow. This strategy is so powerful that it literally takes you from being the victim of daily emergencies to taking charge of your future in a matter of 8 short weeks. So click the link under this video. That's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Sign up with your name and email, grab something to take notes, and watch the training. Because again, it has the power to change your life. This is the same strategy my client Steven used. He was working so hard trying to keep up with the hundreds of problems he was facing at work that he almost lost his family. His marriage was on the brink. He had missed more playdates with the kids than he could recall. And he started gaining weight, eating junk food to deal with the stress. Steven realized that something had to change. He had to figure out a way to get better at solving problems so he could get a better position, increase his pay, and free up time to spend with his family every single week. Within 3 months of religiously following the path I'm about to show you, things improved drastically. Within 6 months, he was awarded a certificate of merit. And within 1 year, he was promoted to Senior Director of Operations. So click the link under this video, sign up on this page with your name and email, and watch every minute of this training because it's going to show you how to completely change your life. It's going to change your career outlook and your income. We're going to cover everything, the exact process you should use to become a world-class problem solver. Take the bull by the horns, become a leader, and finally get the position and pay you deserve. And finally, I must tell you, I can't guarantee that your result will look like Steven's or Carlos's or Vincent's or any of the other 200 plus clients we've taught this strategy to. But here's what I can guarantee you. For all of them, their journey to a fulfilling career and the lifestyle they deserve started right here. Clicking a link, watching a presentation just like the one you're about to watch.